you live on a farm and you're tired of spending all day with a hoe in your hand, turning soil to plant crops, this tool is for you. Check out this tool that promises to revolutionize life on the farm. With just a piece of pipe, a funnel, some iron plates, and a lot of elbow grease, he created this. Now, you don't have to struggle with that heavy hoe in your hand anymore, digging holes, filling them up, and getting calluses all over your hands. This tool makes all that back-breaking work seem easy. Look how effortlessly he's able to plant, and the best part is, he's not even breaking a sweat.